Top 5 VideoScribe Alternatives. Similar softwares. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you VideoScribe alternatives that you can use if you do not want to use VideoScribe, or if you're having any trouble, you cannot afford it. Then there are other platforms that you can use that are quite similar, the same softwares, whiteboard animation softwares that you should check out. So let's get into it. So the first software that we have for you guys is Powtoon.com. What you guys need to do is you're gonna go to Powtoon.com and you will land right here on this software. Powtoon is a video animation platform that allows you to create animated videos. You can create whiteboard animation on Powtoon as well. With Powtoon, you can see we have videos, easy to use video maker with millions of stock images and footage. We have whiteboard doodling that we can do. Then we have animated videos here. We have screen recording, presentations, and custom characters that we can create with Powtoon. Similarly, when it comes to the use cases of Powtoon, we have animated videos, we have business videos. We can use Powtoon for digital marketing videos, HR videos, Facebook videos. Then we have LinkedIn videos, slideshows, training videos, webinars, virtual events, and more. So there are different use cases to Powtoon, and it's actually really easy to get started. What you need to do is just click on sign up and just log in with your email address or use your Google account. With Powtoon, we have different tools and options that allow us to create a whiteboard animation, and it has this very easy to use video editor, which is a drag and drop and gives us a lot of tools. When it comes to the pricing plan of Powtoon, let me actually show you that. So you can see this is the pricing plan for Powtoon. The Lite is going to be just $20 per month, Professional is $60 per month, and Business is $100 per month. You can actually get started with any of these plans and you will be able to sign up for free. The next platform is going to be Animaker. What you need to do is go to animaker.com and you will land right here. Animaker is another software for whiteboard animation and 3D animation as well. With Animaker, we can sign up very easily. With Animaker, you can get started as a complete beginner, and with Animaker, you will be getting different tools and features to create animations and even live action videos. It has a simple drag and drop builder, different powerful characters, and you can also customize them completely. There are thousands of stock videos and photos available for you to use, and 1,000+ templates. In 1,000+ templates, you will be able to choose from different templates according to different occasions. For instance, you can create a YouTube explainer video, then you can also create an educational video, or you can create a simple whiteboard animation video for your presentation. With Animaker, we have these professional tools that give us just not the whiteboard animation but also a 3D animation. So you can click on products right here. You will be able to see we have Animaker, and it has its own studio, and you will be able to create videos in just like minutes. There is a pricing plan for Animaker as well. Let me show you that. So you can see we have a basic for $10 per month, starter for $19 per month, pro for $49 per month, and enterprise, which is going to be custom pricing for custom features. So you can see this is the pricing plan, and you can get started for any of these plans and use Animaker instead of VideoScribe. The next alternative is going to be Doodly. What you need to do is go to doodly.com and you will get right here. Now, Doodly is actually one of the most famous whiteboard animation platform that allows you to create professional and realistic whiteboard videos in minutes. Getting started with Doodly is really easy. You can just click on try Doodly and create your own account on it. You can use your email address or your Google account. With Doodly, we have different features, such as we have the stock footage that we can use. We will be getting a lot of different templates to choose from. This is like a perfect example of a Doodly animation video. So you can create explainer videos on Doodly. You can create educational videos. You will be able to create simple presentation videos. You can see how this is working. We get a hand here, and then you can of course draw anything you want to. This is really famous whiteboard. The special thing about Doodly is it's actually whiteboard animation. So this is actually going to be a really good platform as an alternative for VideoScribe. Let me show you the pricing plan so that you have an idea about the affordability of Doodly. So you can see we have a standard for $39 per month, and then we have an enterprise for $69 per month. With these pricing plans, we're getting a lot of different features that are mentioned below. So you can check out doodly.com for animation. Moving on, we have rawshorts.com. So if you're looking for a platform with a developed AI video maker, then you should check out Raw Shorts. Raw Shorts allows you to create explainer videos with the help of an artificial intelligence as well. It allows you to create animated videos from text. It's a little different than the other animation video platforms that we checked. It also has an AI in it. So you can see we will be able to create animation videos with different characters. Whiteboard animation, of course, we will be able to add text. There is a royalty-free media library available, which has a lot of different videos, photos, icons, and animations that we can directly embed into our videos to create amazing, high quality, professional animations. So, with Raw Shorts, if you want to get started, you can actually try it out for free using your email address, or you can use your Google account. With Raw Shorts, you can see we have an AI video maker. Video templates are available. So, let me show you the different templates, and especially the whiteboard templates that are available. So you can see we have explainer video templates, whiteboard, holidays, and others. So I'm going to open up the whiteboard. You can see this is a perfect example of a whiteboard animation. You can see this one right here. These are the kind of videos you will be able to create with Raw Shorts, and this is what we create with VideoScribe, right? So this is actually a pretty good alternative, and it's also free to try for. So you can actually get started for free. You can see this is also a pretty good animation that we can see. So this is how the Raw Shorts works. You can get started and create your own video or animation for free using Raw Shorts. There's of course a pricing plan. We can get started for free, but there is a pricing plan. So let me show you that so that you will have an idea about the affordability of this software. Here we can switch to the annual pricing plan. You can see we have a starter, which is free trial. You can see, and we can upgrade anytime. With this, we will be able to create 5 videos, and then we have to upgrade, and we have essential for $20 per month and business for $30 per month. You can of course save up to 33% if you switch to the annual billing. So you can see we have all of the different features given below. We will be able to add third-party transfer rights. We have premium exports that are available within Raw Shorts. Last but not the least, we have Simple Show. This is another alternative for VideoScribe that you can use. All you need to do is just go to simpleshow.com and you will get on this platform. With Simple Show, we will be able to create simple and engaging videos with an easy to use AI powered video maker platform. So this is also an AI powered video platform. With Simple Show, you will be able to create explainer videos. You can create videos for your YouTube channel. There are guided workflows available. There are different text to video option is available as well. Within Simple Show, you will be getting a lot of different templates to work with, and it allows you to create a very engaging and high quality whiteboard animation too. So it's a pretty good alternative for VideoScribe that you should check out. You can get started by just clicking on sign up for free and create your free account on Simple Show. There is a pricing plan available, so let me show you that. We can see we have an enterprise, and then of course we have a business for $129 per month and a pro for $499 per month. So you can actually get started, select your plan, and you will be able to create high quality whiteboard animations. So yeah guys, these are all the alternatives for VideoScribe that I showed you, the top 5 animation video platforms that you should check out. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.